Hello student, now we are going to learn procedure to draw involute of a circle. We also draw tangent and normal on involute curve. Our problem is a coil. A coil means wire or thread is unwound from a drum of 30 mm diameter. Draw the locus of the free end of the coil for unwinding through an angle of 360 degree. That means we draw involute of a circle of diameter 30 mm and through an angle of 360 degree. Draw also a normal and tangent at any point on the curve, any point of the involute curve. Okay. First, we draw the circle with 30 mm diameter with center O. Draw circle of 30 mm diameter and center of the circle is O. Okay. Now we divide the circle into 12 equal parts. We divide the circle into 12 equal parts. X-axis, this is Y-axis, this is 30 degree angle, this is 60 degree angle with set square. In opposite direction, this is 30 degree angle, this is 60 degree angle. Now we mark this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Let P be the starting point, that is one end of the thread. Now draw a line PQ. Draw a line PQ. Okay. PQ line tangential to the circle at P point. PQ equal to pi d. That means pi d equal to 30 equal to 30 pi. Okay. Now we divide PQ line into 12 equal part. In the same way, we draw a incline line. Take any measurement on pencil compass. We take 12 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and join this and draw the parallel line. Draw the parallel line. Now this line is divided into 12 equal part. Okay, this 12 equal part marked as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, in this way up to 12 dash. 12 equal part of the circle, this part, this 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, this 12 equal part equal to the 12th part of the line. This is the perimeter of the circle, and this part is equal to this part, this part, this part. Okay, now draw tangent from 1. We draw tangent from 2. We draw tangent from 3. We draw tangent from 4. We draw tangent from 5. We draw tangent from 6. We draw tangent from 7. We draw tangent from 8. We draw tangent from 9. We draw tangent from 10. We draw tangent from 11. We draw tangent. Okay, now on this tangent we mark P1 such that 1 P1 equal to P1 dash. This tangent we mark P2. On this tangent we mark P2 such that 2 P2 equal to P2 dash. On this tangent we mark P3 such that 3 P3 equal to P3 dash. On this tangent we mark P4 such that 4 P4 equal to P4 dash. In this tangent we mark P5 such that 5 P5 equal to P5 dash. In this way we mark P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11 and P12. Okay. Now we draw a smooth involute of the circle through point P, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11 and P12. For draw the involute curve by joining P, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12, we draw the curve by hand or by using French curve. Okay. Now we mark any point on the involute curve. We mark any point. This is M on the involute curve. Now we draw a line joining M and the center of the circle O. We draw a line joining M and center of the circle O. Mark the midpoint C, this is C, on OM. Okay. At center C with radius MC, we draw a semicircle. We draw a semicircle. This semicircle cut the circle at B. Okay. Now we joined M and B. This is the normal of the involute curve at point M. We extend this. This is also the tangent of the circle at point B. Okay. Now at point M we draw a line. We draw a line that is perpendicular to the MB. We draw a line perpendicular to the BM. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular, marked as T and T dash. This T and T dash is the tangent of the involute curve at any point M. Okay. It is clear, my student?